gone! Whoa! Hey! Hey guys, and welcome to a very impromptu video. Today we are down on the A13. No, so we are down the A13 London, where the North Circular and the A13 meet. Right, so basically, I'm just going to shut up. We're going to watch all the cars. I'm just going to let you enjoy the fun. It is very busy down here. There's some crazy cars, some powerful BMs down here. We've got a beach buggy down there somewhere, but. So guys, as I was saying, just enjoy the night, and I'm going to put you back on full screen. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and well, maybe some more impromptu visits to car cruises will happen. Those tyres to pop.
This is what I live for.
I think he wants some tyres to pop. He's doing it on purpose.
This is what I fucking live for.
We're standing behind a very thin wooden post. I tell you, those tyres, that's a great advertisement for whatever tyres he's got on there. Hey! Oh, we got sparks! We got rim! It's gone! Whoa! Hey! Oh, that poor old drone's trying to keep up with him. I'm surprised he can see where he's going. Hello guys, so basically as I was saying in the beginning of the video, we are down in London on the North Secular where the A13 meets. It was a very impromptu little trip. Ashton just sort of saw it on the TikTok and just goes to me, should we go check it out?
Facebook.
So yeah, here we are. We've met them at the second location. Their first location was somewhere on the A10. This is their second location.
Do like midney food. Reminds me of the old Fast and Furious. Is it Too Fast and Furious where they do all the...
Yeah, that's it. But guys, please like and subscribe for me if you enjoy this sort of thing. We will always pop up and try and do a car video of some kind. Oh, look at that fan blowing.
I've seen your Bob going sideways, it has that flying up and down.
I love this. This is not zero gauge though. Zero gauge?
Someone might like it. Ashton, whose is this? So it looks like we have a YouTuber's car here. We've got signatures all over it. If anybody knows who it is, oh there we go. That's a nice motor.
See the model full secret.
This is like something you'd expect to see on Fast and Furious. It's just like the colour of it, it's just so vibrant. There's nothing like a set of Skyline lights. They've always been my favourite lights. Wow, look at that, some money. Look at that. Put some time into that.
Got cams on the show. Size of that turbo,
So, second location, North London Tesco's. Let's go see what's going on. We've got the same beamers down here making the same amount of noise. But obviously, unfortunately for Tesco's, Tesco's is still open. We've got a bit of a tighter spot here, guys, than we did at the other location. The other location, the area for the donuts was a lot wider, so it looks like a couple of them might struggle. There we go. Who's got the Benny Hill theme tune? Tyres are hot. Quick cable tie, job's a good one. There we go. Just covered in shit. This guy has got great control over that beamer. Whoa, look at that! Metal threads all over the floor. So guys, here we are, third location. This is further north from London. We've got Mr. Whippy here again. This is our third location, their fourth location. I think he's followed the cars the entire way. So we've done at least a 100-mile round trip. So I had to stop. You know, he was dedicated. So, you know, you've got to help out and support where you can. And the guy's driven all these miles to support all these guys, racing and ragging their cars about. So, not a bad one. Strawberry and Softy calls it. Awesome. He's got the wrong way down a one-way fucking street, the plum. What a fucking idiot. Oh, he put him off. That was a good start. Whoa. The amount of power in that. Here we go. That thing is powerful. So guys, thanks for watching our little impromptu video. So I hope you enjoyed. This was actually quite a really fun night. There were some crazy blokes up here. A couple of them a little bit wide on the old donut, so get a little bit nervous. As soon as the tyres start to pop and they carry on going, you start to think to yourself, geez, they're going to lose control. But please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and every time one pops up I will try and get here and I will let you know what's going on. Thanks guys.